Hello everyone, welcome back once again to this channel. Welcome to this channel. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly stick with me to the end of this video. Kindly watch it to the end if you want to master these tips on how to select colors you want to use for your designs, because most times we will actually see a color or our materials we have a particular color, but we would like to use it on our designs, but how to select that color is what we don't know, because the name of that color is not known or is strange to us. So kindly stick with me and watch this video to the end for you to be able to master these secrets on how you'll be able to select your colors without stress and use them on your designs. The first thing we're doing here is we have to install the app we'll be making use of for the color selection. So I can just go to my Play Store. This is the then you now search for color picker. I think this is the second one, this one with a blue something like a blue background and a white pen on it. So you just install it. Because I've been making use of the app for some time now, it's already installed, so I can just go down to where it is, then open it. I think the app is also available for people making use of iPhone. I think it's also available for them, but maybe in a different style. So once you install the app, I will select it and then open it. So if I just open this app now, you see how the interface looks like. You are allowed it to grant access to camera. You can just grant the access. So this is how the app works. Let's say, for example, this Bible now, I want to make use of the red color in this Bible. So I can just position it in such a way that this circle mark will be pointing on that red color. Can you see that? So I'll just place it here and copy the code. I'll hold it closer and then copy this code. I can just tap on this thing. Once I tap here, the code will be copied automatically. So you can see the code is copied. So I can now move to my Pixellab. I've already selected this color, so I'll probably go to my Pixellab. Then let me take, for example, I'll be taking a shape for any design. I'll take this shape, then I'll go to color, enable color, and tap this plus sign. Tap on this pencil icon, not this. Tap on this icon that is here, and then paste that color code here. You can just erase this and paste. Good. Okay, so you can see that this is the color of the Bible, so I can now use it on my designs. All right, that's for camera. Then for importing image, the way you're going to do it is, let's go back to the color picker here. Then I will tap here, not here. I'll tap on this place, this second place now, that is after the three dots. So I can just tap here and it will take me to my gallery, this photo album. So let me assume that this is the picture I want to make use of. Maybe I want to make use of this yellow that is here, or maybe I want to use the skin color of this lady here. I want to make use of this brown. Then I can just place this circle mark on it and then tap on the name of this color, which is dark salmon. Once you tap on the name, automatically the link will be copied to your clipboard. Once you tap on it and you copy it, then you go back to the app you're using to design. For me, I prefer using Pixellab. Do the same thing just like we did before. tap on this first icon here, and then I'll paste the copied color code here. Mark this good. You see the color will change automatically. Okay, so this is the skin color of the lady, so I can use this color now for my designs. This is equally applicable to other materials you're making use of. You can just copy the color code and then use it this way. So this is how you can be able to copy any color code, any color combination that you don't know the name. You can be able to copy it this way and use it in any of your designs. Thank you once again for watching this video up to this point. If you learned any knowledge or if this video is useful to you, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to this channel, alright? So you get notifications on a new video when a new video is uploaded. So thank you once again, and I'll be expecting you in my next video.